Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time, welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a great time. um Happy Easter in advance, I guess. Okay, actually by the time you see this video is way past Easter, so happy Easter. For now I'm posting videos related to my little vacation that I went on. um Today I'll be posting, I think today I'm gonna post the vlog of the from the whole trip, like the vlog from the whole trip, everything except my engagement. So next week I'm going to be posting my engagement videos, and then this one. Yeah, that's how it's going, just so that I can follow the timeline. Anyways, today I'll be cleaning a little bit, and I need to go shopping because I need to like change my diet. I actually changed my diet a little bit, but I think I need to really change my diet very, like, I need to change my diet a lot. I need to take more fruits. I take fruits a lot, but I need to like cut down on the food and take more fruits. And I need to like be more serious with my workout. Don't even mind my head scarf because my hair is really bad. Since I came back, I was supposed to like wash my hair because I entered the pool when I was in vacation. And when I was on vacation, I entered the pool. I messed up my hair really bad. My wig that I entered the pool with, it's kind of bad, and it's a brand new wig. Like I wore it for the first time that day and I entered the pool with it. Like I don't even know how to revamp this hair. And the person I buy wigs from actually lives in Nigeria. So I don't know what to do. I don't know who to trust with my wigs over here, and I don't know, I'm just all over the place right now with these wigs. But I have a few things I want to unpack. Things that came from Amazon. I'll start with my ring. So look at this, is I think is girl math, right? I told C, this is my ring, my engagement ring is very expensive. It's real diamond, and I cannot wear this everywhere. Like I can't wear it everywhere. Some places I just don't feel comfortable wearing it to, especially when I'm going to school like on a daily basis. And when I have to go to like Walmart or places like that, I don't feel comfortable wearing this ring because I don't want to lose it for shit. So I told him that he needs to order me a new this didn't come from Amazon, by the way. Yeah, I told him that he should order me like a new cheaper one. Not really that cheap, but like if I lose it, at least like it's really not that deep. So I told him to buy me a replica of my ring so I could wear it to certain places. Why I have that fear is because the first time he ever got me anything diamond was when he got me a name necklace in Nigeria, which was real diamond, and it was for my birthday, and it got stolen after a week. I was wearing it. I removed it because I felt uncomfortable where I was because I thought they were going to steal it. I removed it, put it inside my purse. I didn't see my purse anymore, and my necklace. Because of this, maybe it's PTSD from me losing my shade before. So I told him to do the same with the ring, and you can't even. I don't. He went a little above my size, so but it's good. Yeah, so this is the real thing. This is the real thing. I think you can tell the difference actually. This is the real thing, and this is what do they call this again? Moissanite. This is moissanite, but I don't know if the gold is real gold. I didn't read it. I didn't take time to read this one, but I don't think it's real gold. But the diamonds are moissanite, but this are real diamonds, and this is real gold. This is my main engagement ring, but this is what I'll be wearing often because I don't want it to be stolen from me. So you can't really tell the difference because like it's really nice. I like it. It's the same size, except when you really look close and like when it's dark. or when you're under the sun, you can tell the diamond from. So let's get into my Amazon order. I need to open it. This is a curling iron. I do have a curling iron, honestly. I do have a curling iron, but oh, I have free gifts inside. All those hair comb, the glue, the hairpins, and hairbands, shit like that. Yeah. So I have a curling iron, but that one I bought in Nigeria. So the socket or the plug is not the US plug. So I use an adapter to plug it, and that one, the size is really smaller than this, so it makes my coils smaller, which I don't like. I like big coils, so that's the reason why I got this one for bigger coil. And I got it because of the hair, the wig that I'm trying to revamp, the one I entered the pool with. I'm trying to revamp it, so later today I'll try to see if this works for it and if this will actually bring it back to life. Next one is yeah, this is the bed sheet, I think. Is it? Oh, this is the duvet cover. So this is the duvet cover. I got this color, just beige color, because I'm honestly tired of my black bed sheet. Let me show you guys. This black one. My favorite wig, honestly. I'm not even gonna lie. Even with the fucked up coils, it has become my favorite wig. I'm just not to go to the mall. I want to get C doesn't know this, but I want to get him a gift. He has really been nice to me, and you know, I didn't get him anything for his birthday except for a date, a relaxation date for the massage, the massage date and all. That's all I got him for his birthday, because we agreed that we're not going to get any one, like we're not going to get anything for ourselves, but he ended up getting me things. So I want to get him like a wristwatch. So that's why I told him to take me to the mall, that I want to get something for myself. He doesn't know that. But when we get to the mall, I told him I want to use the diamond tester to test our ring, just for content's sake. So I'm going to be wearing my original ring. to the mall. Ooh. Forehead gun. I already mentioned I'm wearing the original one because I want to, just for content's sake, I want to like use a diamond tester on it. I'm going to need either a jacket or like a cardigan like this, and I prefer to wear this cardigan. I don't know if it goes. Let me check. It does. I think it does. Yeah, I think it does. I prefer to use I prefer to wear a cardigan than wear a jacket. Recently I've just not been feeling jacket. I feel like it's a lot of work. So nah, it's not that cold. It's not like cold for me to wear a winter jacket, but I just need to cover my body because Code and I, we don't really get along. I'm going to have my black sneakers and my black bag on. Yeah, that's all, and I'm ready. Let's go. Tell me these wristwatches are not nice. I mean the gold one, but he doesn't like gold.
Yeah,
You actually
gold was,
okay.
I don't know. If I didn't see
And
my
you
dad's
have-
hand, I think I would like gold.
You have this. See.
Yeah, I guess.
You can match it with it.
I don't think it'd be selective sometimes. What you want to check?
Yeah.
And did you want to see a citizen?
Interest.
This perfume. What are you looking for?
That's very nice question.
It's good. Both is good. The black and the gray one is good. It's a little bit sweet.
Oh,
And this one is unisex. I have that one.
this is
really
good.
good.
This is good.
Let me check.
Okay.
And that one is
Oh, we
the
saw that.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
I've wanted to know how this one.
and that one
Yeah.
is with the body lotion, hair
Oh.
shower. It's really nice.
I already smell it.
It's quite different from the one you have.
Yeah, a little different. Yeah. Similar, but slightly different. So I'll get this one. Yeah?
You don't want something totally different from what you have.
Like what?
I don't know. Something.
Hair shower, body lotion.
Okay.
Alright, so
Babe, don't touch my stuff.
she's playing.
Oh, you
Yeah, I like this one.
Huh?
I like this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me? Okay.
Uh,
no, it's fine.
It's masculine.
Yeah, I like it. I like it.
Yeah. So I'll go with this. Sure.
Yeah, I have that one. Only perfume, I have the gift set too. So the gift set is the hell shower. It's
No, I don't
$10.
care for Yeah, I'm not gonna use it.
Okay, so you want only
Yeah, I'll
that
take this one and then it's the Supremacy.
Okay, this is
Thank you. I'm back home. I'm doing a little haul on my. By the way, I hope you guys saw when I tested my diamonds. So this is what I ended up getting for C. And I was thinking I was going to be able to convince him to go for like gold or silver, but nah, he was bent on dark shade. He has a black wristwatch. This I think is metallic, I don't know, like metallic type or thing. It's mostly dark gray than black. So yeah. He has a black one, he has a blue one, so I wanted him to get something silver or gold, but this is much better than silver or gold. I'm not even gonna lie. Yeah, this is much better. So this was what I got him. So he got this black chain with the pendant. I don't know how to put this. Yeah, he got this black chain with the pendant. And it's really nice to go with his wristwatch. He has a gold necklace, cross necklace, necklace with pendant. But I wanted him to get, that was part of the reason why I wanted him to get like silver or gold, like kind of wristwatch to go with it. But I guess he got a black necklace instead. He got me this one. Oh, it's all over the place. Yeah, he got me this chain. I don't know why I like it. I'm going to find a pendant for it obviously, but he got me this silver gold but silver color chain, and he got me these 18 karat gold earrings. And we also got perfumes. This is Millionaire by Lomani. This smells fucking good. This is for him. This smells so good. It has that kind of what's it called? Arabian smell. What's it called again? It's Arabian smell, right? Yeah. It has that kind of scent and super nice. Mine is Supremacy. This is good. Yeah, this is it. This shit smells, this stuff smells good. It smells so freaking good. Oof. So I'm tired and I need to go change my clothes and wear PJ or something, whatever I wear at night. Yeah, I need to go, and I'll see you guys tomorrow being Easter. Okay? Nah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Easter. It's a new day and it's Easter Sunday. I am posting a new video, so you guys please go watch my video. I want to make puff. That's what I'm craving for today. I don't know if I'm really good at it. Mine is not round like a professional, obviously. This is my first time of making it. Oh, still hot. Still very hot. I cannot wait. Ooh.
Looks too much alike, I thought it was.
Oh. I'd say 9 out of 10. So it's not the fact I'm giving myself, you know, the best score. 9 out of 10. But I'm speechless. It's really good. I'm surprised because this is my first time. I didn't know it was going to turn out this good, honestly. But it is good. So, guys, there's nothing more to see here. Thanks for watching, and thanks for watching to the very end of this video. I hope you like, subscribe, and share my video if you haven't. Please do subscribe to my channel. Please come back for more. I'm going to be posting every weekend. I've already said that, and I've lived up to this promise that I made. So please come back for more. Share to your friends, family, enemies, everyone. Just share to everyone, please. I want my videos to be more viral and have more views. Also drop a like, please, because I really need it. Thank you for watching. Bye guys. Mwah.